Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's not waste time. Let's get into the class. Let's write the problem statement. User need to take user input and using functions. Using functions, user need to check check whether that number is Armstrong number or not. Which means, for example, what is our Armstrong number? For example, take 153. So it is a Armstrong 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 number. Armstrong number. Armstrong number. And so what is Armstrong number? We have to uh, do cubes like 1 power 3 plus 5 power 5 power 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3. So which gives 153. Which gives 153. So then that number is called Armstrong number. So 1 power 3, 1. 5 cube, it's 125. 3 cube, it's 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So by adding all these things, we will get 153. We will get 153. So it will come like this. 1 plus 125 plus 27 equal to 153. So this is called Armstrong number. So doing cubes, one part each number we have to do cubes, and by adding all these things we have to get 153. So we have to prove this thing by using functions. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's get into the coding part. So let's write the import java dot util dot start, and I will take scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and I will take n here sc dot next in, and here I will print system.out.println Armstrong function. Armstrong function will check whether the function is whether that number is Armstrong number or not. I will pass this n. So I will pass this n here. So here I will write the function public static and the return type is, so we have to check, right, whether it is an Armstrong number or not. So I will use boolean, it will tell true or false, and I'll write Armstrong, and I'm passing n, right? So I'm taking num as a variable here, and I will, so I have to I'll do while loop here, so, and before that I will take int temp is equal to num and I will do operations by using temp. So I'm just copying the num variable to num value to the temp. That's it. So this while loop should iterate up to until 0. So now I want the last digit, unit digit, int unit digit is equal to digit is equal to. So what is the temp mode? Temp mode 10. So it will give the sum. Sorry, it will give the last digit of the number. Like it will give the last digit of the number. So I will get 3 here. So here I will write another variable sum. Sum is equal to 0. Sum is equal to 0. And I will do sum is equal to, so I have to add, right? So each time I have to add 1 plus 25 plus 27. So how can I add? Sum is equal to sum plus. So I have to, what is the unit digit? 3, right? 3, right? I have to multiply 3 times, that's it. So where it is stored? In the unit digit. In the unit digit. In the unit digit. Unit digit into unit digit into unit digit into unit digit. So I have got the unit digit, and I will do temp is equal to 10 by 10. Then it will remove the last digit 3, and it will rotate up to 15, then it will come to 15, and it will come to 1. So each number will be removed by using the statement. For the first time I got 3, right? So after I got the operations done, I will remove 3 and I will get only 15. Then after getting this operation right, I will remove 5. Then I will get only 1. So for that purpose, I will use temp is equal to 10 by 10. Temp is equal to 10 by 10. So I got yes. Okay. So here I will check if condition. If if num if num if num is equal to sum. So I hope why I have taken temp is equal to num, because I have to compare. I have to compare num with sum. So that's why I want num as it is. So if I do operations on num, the num value will be changed. The num value will be changed. So if I use temp here, I will get error. I will get error because I have done some modification here by using while loop. So that's why I'm using copying this value in the temp. Num is equal to sum. Num is equal to sum. I will open it. Sum is, if num is equal to sum, then I will print, or it can write a return true, or you can, yeah, return true, else return false. Return true and return false. So that's it, friends. Just run the program. So we got an error. That's the program again. If num, we got, okay. Double equal to, right? We have to write double equal to. We have to write double equal to. So there is no errors. And I'll write 153. It should say it's true because it's an Armstrong number. See, we got true as the output. We got true as the output. And if I will run again, and I will write 351, the reverse of that number, it should say false because it's not an Armstrong number. It's not the Armstrong number. So that's it, friends. It's a simple problem. By using a function, you have to determine whether the number is an Armstrong number or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be a benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.